Guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos. I have a update on the Hardee's Oldsmobile stock car. Um, I have mine all done. I used the original decals from '87 on this kit. The left side came out good. The right side was a little crinkly. So let me just show you how it came out. But overall, it was a very good constructed kit and a well done monogram replica of Cale Yarborough's Hardee's Oldsmobile. So let's take a look at this. And it's a forgotten era. This is the era when they went from boxy to round, like overnight. So let's get right into it. So you can see I got it ready to go into the display area. I put the glass in it, got the hood pins in there. Got full detail interior and chassis. This side, it looks good on camera, but definitely it's more of a shelf clean. So, but I'm not really a big one on taking my cars to the shows. So, but this is a cool car the way it came out. I love the orange and white paint scheme. I was misled by the directions where it said the chassis is supposed to be black, so I had to repaint over the black chassis and paint it red. So that's where it got a little bit of a darker red on the inside of it. So let me show you the engine. There's that big NASCAR power plant. This is actually a donor engine because this kit came from a thrift store for $6. Somebody had started it. I guess it was a inexperienced modeler that started it. Not going to down them or anything. They probably didn't understand how the engine went together or nothing or anything like that. I just want to show you what I had to work with here. I had to get a new engine because this engine, they put the heads on upside down, but the transmission was still good, so I mixed it with another engine tranny with another. This got a whole new engine from a '92 Oldsmobile in it, stock car. So, but it was a very, very fun build, and hope you guys liked the pictures and the video. And thank you for all the subscribers. And thanks for watching, guys. All right, bye.